Hello sa inyo mga tolls, welcome sa aking channel, and ngayon tuturo ko sa inyo Your Love by Brickman and Wright. So, nasa standard tuning tayo. Let's start. So, first part ng kanta is the intro. So, before ko ituturo sa inyo yung plucking chord, tuturo ko muna nyo yung rhythm section. So, first chord na ginamit ko is C. Next chord is the C over E. Pero yung alternate chord na mas madali is C, pero yung bass nyo is E. Dito yung bass. Kanina, ito yung bass, pero mas madali itong C over E. Next chord is the F major, or naka-bar chord na F. Next is F over A. So, ito yung modified na F over A ko. If you don't know that chord, middle finger in the 6th string 5th fret, index finger in the 4th string 3rd fret, ring finger in the 3rd string 5th fret, and little finger in the 2nd string 6th fret. F over A. Pero kung gusto nyong F over A na mas madali, F kayo dito. Bass nyo yung open chord na 5th string. Diba? F over A. So, same lang din. Pero mas madali itong F over A. Next chord is G over B. Same lang ng F over A kanina. Lipat ka lang ng dalawang fret. And meron din akong alternate chord na mas madali. Yan. G over B. Sa 5th string, 2nd fret, and then 2nd string, 3rd fret. G over B. Next chord, balik ulit sa C. Balik ulit sa C over E, or C over E na open string, yung 6th string. Kung gusto nyo yung ganito. Next chord is balik sa F. And then last chord natin is F7 suspended 4. So yung plucking pattern niya sa intro is magpo-form ka ng C na chord. So pluck mo yung ring finger mo sa 5th string. Okay. Pluck mo si 5th string. Then hammer mo si index finger 2nd string. And then after mong ma-hammer si 2nd string, 1st fret, punta ka sa 1st string 3rd fret. Okay, ito si little finger. Next, kung nakuha nyo, punta tayo sa C over E. So yung major lang, ang yung bass natin is pluck mo lang yung open string. After that, pluck mo C. After mo mag-bass ng E, open ka sa 2nd string. Pluck mo si 2nd string open, and then pindutin mo si 1st fret, 2nd string. So ulitin ko. Balik ulit sa 1st string. After nun, dalawang pindot, punta na tayo sa F. Diba? So, ulitin ko. Block mo lang ng, or magbabarcode ka. So, yun. After nung mag-F, diba? After nun is F over A, passing chord to G over B. So, kung nahihirapan kayo sa ganitong modified chord, yung F over A na madali. Okay? So, itatry ko sa ganitong chord. Diba? Mas madali siya. So, after nun, balik sa C. Sa intro pa rin. After nun, slide mo si first string 3rd fret papuntang 5th fret. Then after nun, F, and then F7 suspended 4. So ulitin natin. F7 suspended 4. So next part ng song is the verse. So first chord na ginamit ko is A minor 7. May chord chart akong nilagay, so follow nyo na lang yung steps. Next chord is F bar chord, or yung ganito. And then, may passing chord akong C over E. Papuntang D minor 7. Or dito. After ng D minor 7, G 7. G. Pero yung G. So, yung chord na yun, ng A minor, F, C over E, D minor 7, G7, dalawang balik. After that is A minor 7 ulit, D minor 7. So yung A minor, D minor 7, dalawang balik. And then next chord is the F. And then after ng F is F over A to G over B. So, try natin. It's not the flower that fans of paper. It's not the wind around my finger. It's not turning it all over than me. Here beside me. Here beside me. Next part is the chorus. So yung chord na ginamit ko is C over E. No, it's C. Next chord is C over E. Or yung ganito, ang C over E kanina. Para hindi kayo mahirapan. Next is the F major. Next is F over A. So ako mas komportable kasi ako dito. So pwede din yung ganito lang. Next is G over B. Alam niyo na yun kanina. So, yung chord na yun is dalawang ulit. After that is A minor, 7. Next is D minor 7. Next is F. Last chord natin is G. So, tatry natin. She could give me wings to fly, catch me if I fall, the stars from the sky, so I can reach on and on. And I couldn't ask for more. Your love is the greatest gift of all. So, after ng first chorus, balik sa intro, but yung intro natin is ganito na mangyayari. So, after ng F, mag F over A ka na. Then, balik sa verse. So, yung verse part natin is same lang. Same chord ng first verse. So, then yung refrain, or hindi ko siya ginawang refrain, but sinali ko. It's a verse, then yung A minor. There's nothing at all the world and me. So, part pa rin siya ng verse. So, after ng verse, second verse, chorus agad. So, and then, same lang din, yung second chorus natin. And then, after that, yung sa second chorus, yung last part. Your love is the greatest gift. Magsisi tayo. So, dyan papasok si bridge. So, yung bridge part natin is yung chord na ginamit ko, G minor 7. So, nasa chord chart, yung G minor 7. Next chord is the C. Next chord is the F minor. Next chord, alam nyo na yun. So, pwede din dito, pwede dito yung F minor. And then, next is the E flat over G. So, kung hindi ako makahanap ng chord chart na to, so, ganito. Para kang nagdi-D over F sharp. So, index finger mo nasa 3rd fret, 6th string. Middle finger mo nasa 3rd string, 3rd fret. And then, ring finger mo nasa 2nd string, 4th fret. E flat over G. Next chord. So, after nung E flat over G, B flat, major. Or dito. So, tatry natin kantahan. So, after ng bridge, instrumental tayo. Kaya nagiging B flat na yung bridge natin sa last chord ng bridge. Nag-change key na ang kanta. So, sa instrumental part, yung chord na ginamit ko is E flat. Next chord is E flat over G. Yung kanina. Next chord is G sharp. And then next chord is G sharp over C. Diba kanina is F over A. So ngayon magiging G sharp over C. Lipat ka lang ng 3 fret. So 1, 2, 3 kanina. F over A. So 1, 2, 3. So, dito na yung G sharp over C. If you don't know that chord, kanina yung tinuro ko, F over A. So, ito. G sharp over C, papuntang B flat over D. Diba? So, dito yung mas madali. Kasi dito, so, ano dito? Bar chord mo yung 4th string, 3rd at saka 2nd string sa 3rd fret. And then, bass mo si ring finger. B flat over D. Or dito. Yung kanina, para kang nag-F over A. Diba? So, dalawang balik nun sa instrumental para kang nagko-chorus. So, dalawang balik. After nun, C minor, F minor. After that, G sharp. Then, last chord natin is B flat. So, tatry natin yung instrumental. So, after nun, chorus natin, it's an outro part. So yung sa instrumental is, and I couldn't ask for more, 'cause your love is the greatest gift of all. 'Cause you could give me wings to fly, and catch me if I fall from the sky. After nun, intro, balik sa introduction. E flat. E flat over G. Your love is the greatest gift. So, yung coda part natin is the E flat. This is our last chord na gagamitin. So yun, hope mga tolls may natutunan kayo sa bagong tutorial, and don't forget to click like and subscribe and follow my Facebook page. So sa mga may requested songs, just comment down below, baka matsambahan ko yung kanta. So yun lang, God bless.